What's up, Brandon?
I wonder what the black one's out there.
Play him in Almighty Joe.
This is funny.
Look at him killing me.
I'm having the best time.
Did you notice? Look at they're walking. They're not walking up. They walk up.
I'm happy.
So that's what Jonathan was saying. He was a knuckle drag.
Oh, Lord. Look, they're playing hide and seek.
Ready, set, go. Sam.
Excited.
Sammy, you know, go to the diaper. Come on, Sammy.
This is the most active ones out of the whole show.
There you go. Oh. Come here, boy. You get that.
They're playing.
Boy, you get a butt whooping. You. I'm out. I don't know.
They're like someone who...
Oh, so funny.